once again.
Hello again, it's Jimmy O'Reilly's here, Mobile Mechanics. Here we have a Volkswagen Amarok. We've just let it run for 10 minutes to warm the engine up. And we're looking at this spec here. It's a 2.0 TDI engine, and round the back, just down there, got the oil filter. And it takes around about 7.5 litres of oil. Just underneath the car, over here, you got the oil sump plug, so we'll get the oil drained out and the filter changed. Just get our oil pan under there. Now we're going to use a 19mm socket to get onto the sump plug there. Once we've got it open with the ratchet, we can just untwist it by hand. Got a light on there so it's a little bit better to see. And here we go. Whoa. And we'll let that pour out now. We've got our catch pan here underneath. While the oil's draining, we're going to use a 32mm socket on an extension, and we'll get down here on top of the filter housing and we'll just open this up. So right here we've got a rubber o-ring, we've got the filter, and we've got some o-rings here and here. 3 o-rings and a filter. And here's the o-rings here. You got like 3 different sizes, one big one, smaller one, medium sized one. Get them switched over. Put the new one on. You just gotta kind of wiggle it around, and we get it. It just takes a little bit of fiddling, and it'll fall down into place there. We've got that back in. Just get the sump plug back on. Now for this, we're going to use synthetic oil, 5W30. We're just going to fill her up there with around about 7 litres of oil. Okay, that's the oil cap back on. Now we're going to start the engine up, let it run for 30 seconds. Now the oil's circulated, we can pull the dipstick and check it for oil. It's black as it was before. That is basically it. We're all done on the Amarok, and we'll see you on the next video.